By faith, we understand that the universe was formed at God's command, so that what is seen was not made out of what was visible. Right. Can I be honest? Yeah. Less than 24 hours before I need to vacate. Eviction letter at the door. It's time to move out this place. But still I'm talking to the Lord. I can't just move out this place. This the apartment that I prayed for and the gift that you gave. Plus, I know it's way too early for me to leave at this stage. I'm pre-launching an online course. Lord, I hope that it pays. Cause last 30 days, I've been trying to just figure out ways to administrate a cure that keeps depression at bay. It's my ministry to cure all of the sheep gone astray. I kneel down and pray my cure for any stress in my day. My hands up, I pray. Jesus Christ, would you help me today? I'm rejoicing in my pain until you carve out a way. You've been feeding me through leaders. Lord, I know that I'm saved, making me more a believer of the promise you made. Build a global brand and teach people just how to have faith. When your season is faint, and your season is faint, all your tasting is blank, all your pages are blank. You don't paint with the paint because you figured you can't paint a picture out of nothing, might as well leave it blank. God paints pictures out of nothing, better change how you think.